Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at the length of an arc. We have the sector written down here, which has got a angle which is in radians. So the formula to use when we have a sector which has got an angle in radians, it is different from that one which when the angle it is in degree. So now for question 1a, we are asked to find the length of the arc, the length of this arc. And remember here, we are given this is a radius here, and we have the angle on center. So for solution, we are going to have S equals, this is the theta here, so it will be theta r, theta multiplied by r. This is how we find the length of an arc of a sector. So S equals theta, we have 3 pi over 4. The radius we have 8. Then if you divide 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 8, which is 2, then S, it will be 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6 pi. And if you simplify this one, S equals 6 multiplied by 3.142 to be 18.8 centimeters. So this is the length of this arc. And for B, we are given that find the angle sustained by an arc of 6 centimeters. Here we have to find theta for B. B, it is given that we have a sector like this one. This is the simplest sector. We have the sector, so the radius it is same, which is 8. Then the arc we have 6. Then theta we don't have. So we have to make theta to be the subject of the formula in this equation here, in which it will be S equals theta r. Then if you divide by r, then we are going to remain with theta equals S over r. Then let's divide theta equals, where this S, we have where this S, we have this one here. This is the distance sustained by this sector. So we have 6, radius it is 8, and if you divide 8 into 6, we are going to have theta 8 is equals to 0.75, and this one it is in radian. So let's take it into degree. So for you to take it into degree, you have to multiply this 0.75 multiplied by 180 degree, not percent here, 180 degree over pi, in which when you multiply to 135 divided by 3.142. If you divide by 3.142, we are going to have 43 degrees. So this is the angle which we have been asked. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the new video.